It made her feel worthless, and she started to question herself again. Maybe she needs to dig a little deeper. The yearning was so intense that she manifested the appearance of the firebird. The firebird stands for power, courage, and resilience, and that was exactly what Faith needed.
Take my hand, don't look down, down. Hear my voice, know this sound. I know you're hurting, I just can't imagine the place. Can you keep holding on? Better somehow. 'Cause I can't help thinking about before. Can we go back, have what we had once more? No. You cannot leave me now, don't even think about it. You cannot leave me now, now. Why can't you see me? I see you so clearly, I'll shout it out. Why can't you hear me? I'm yelling so loudly.
By comparing yourself to others, you limit yourself to being only as excellent as they tell you. Let people be guides.
Yes, Paisley.